In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove buy-sell arrows and buttons in TradingView. If your chart feels cluttered or you want to prevent accidental orders, you can hide two things: the buy and sell buttons that sit near the top left of the chart, and the execution arrows that mark past trades on the candles. I'll show you how to disable each of them, and you can turn them back on anytime using the same steps. First, let's hide the buy and sell buttons. These are the clickable controls used to place orders through the trading panel or a connected broker. To remove them from view, open your chart and right-click anywhere on the canvas. Choose Settings from the menu. You can also click the small gear icon in the top right corner if you prefer. In the Settings window, select the Trading tab. Here you'll see an option labeled Show Buy or Sell Buttons. Uncheck that box to hide the buttons from your chart. When you are done, click OK to confirm. The buttons will disappear immediately, giving you more room and helping you avoid accidental clicks while analyzing price action. With the buttons hidden, all of your drawing tools, indicators, and the trading panel remain fully functional. You can still place orders from the panel at the bottom of the screen or through your broker integration. This change only removes the large on-chart controls. Many traders prefer this cleaner view when backtesting or recording content because it keeps the focus on price and indicator signals. Next, let's remove the execution arrows that display historical entries and exits on the chart. These markers can be useful when reviewing trades, but they can also obscure candles or indicators. To hide them, right-click on the chart and select Settings again. Go back to the Trading tab on the left. Scroll until you find Executions. Uncheck Executions to turn off those trade markers. Click OK to apply the change. Your chart will now be free of past trade arrows. Making it cleaner and easier to read, a couple of quick notes for clarity. Disabling these visuals does not affect your trading data or your ability to place orders. It only controls what appears on the chart. If you ever want them back, repeat the same steps and enable show buy or sell buttons or executions. Also, these preferences are tied to your chart layout, so they'll remain as you set them the next time you open the same layout. That's it. Thanks for watching.